Elgato Stream Deck. Live content creation controller with 15 customizable LCD keys. Adjustable stand. For Windows 10 and macOS 10.11 or later. 15 LCD keys. Tap to switch scenes. Launch media. Adjust audio and more. Fully customizable. Personalize keys with custom icons or choose from hundreds. Direct integration. Control game capture. OBS. XSplit. TipeeeStream. Twitch. YouTube. Mixer. And more. Easy setup. Simply drag and drop actions onto keys in the app. Unlimited control. Nest folders within folders to store as many actions as you want. You're creating quality content backed by the best tech on the planet. But you want to do more. With Stream Deck, trigger up to 210 actions via 15 LCD keys. Take control of your content and focus on what matters most, your audience. Use the Stream Deck app to drag and drop actions onto keys and personalize them with custom icons. Tap to switch scenes. Launch media. Tweet your feeds. And more. Level up your on-screen antics with GIFs, images, videos and audio. Traditionally, this level of control was exclusive to mainstream entertainment broadcasters. Now, it's at your fingertips. Gone are the days of navigating myriad windows to trigger an action, and relying solely on automated plugins to expand your production value. Now, you hold the power to pioneer a new era of content creation, and lead your audience to uncharted frontiers of inspiration. Now, you're in control. As a user who uses a computer to stream, this has made my life easier. Unfortunately, I do not use OBS, so some integration update will suffice, and hopefully continuous support for such would be awesome. Some functionality is funky, like with XSplit you have to have the Stream Deck selected for the app to work and not XSplit. With GamesHow you must have GamesHow selected for the buttons to work. But regardless of the experience, it's way better than using mouse/keyboard or using Simplest Synergy to make changes.